My name is Andrea Colson. My brother, sister, and I grew up on the mission field, and now we're each individually supported missionaries with Central Missionary Clearinghouse, seeking to raise committed monthly support from friends like you who would like to sponsor us as missionaries. I love traveling on the ship across the ocean to visit the many outer islands of Chuuk, Micronesia. Small coral atolls just a few feet above sea level, less than a mile long, but full of people who have never heard how to receive Jesus as their Savior. Each week I teach the children in the village church that my brother Matthew pastors. We regularly have 150 kids, eager to hear this week's Bible story and learn new songs. I sing on the radio and have several daily radio programs, all in Chuukese. Each week we see people saved while visiting at Chuuk State Hospital. Thank you for praying for our family, and thank you for giving so that we can go.
Hello, my name is Matthew Colson, and this is my dog Rocky. He likes to listen as I record my daily Through the Bible radio programs. Being the pastor of Alisha Baptist Church in Chuuk, I am able to record my sermons and also play them on the radio. Thanks to our supporters who send donations, we were able to change the roof on our church building. Andrea and I have been going to Alisha Baptist Church for the past 3 years. In our first service, there were only 8 people there, but now we have around 150, and we are also able to baptize on a regular basis. We also take mission trips to the outer islands. It is great being able to see members of our churches share the gospel and see many people saved. We also like to try out our radio signal to see how far it can reach. On our last mission trip to the island of Polap, I was able to receive our radio signal from 160 miles away. Also, being a third-degree black belt, I train the police, which is a great way to be able to meet many of the local men, and I'm also able to share the gospel with them.
Hi, my name is Alisha Colson, and I too am a missionary in Chuuk. I teach the children's Sunday school class at Bible Baptist Church and direct the children's Christmas program. I play the piano for the songs that we record for our FM radio station, Bible Baptist Radio. We record about 30 songs per week. I also have several different radio programs. The Lone Ranger is a favorite. I have translated many classic adventure novels into Chuukese. This is the first time the people have ever had novels in their own language. Through this, the Lord led me to start working on the Chuukese Bible. I am currently halfway through the New Testament. Please pray for me as I continue to serve the Lord in Chuuk.